everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. This week we'll be talking about I don't know versus I don't care. But before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you will find additional videos of this nature and you'll be notified of new releases. Well, let's go ahead and get started. I'd like to talk about the difference between I don't know and I don't care when it comes to safety on the job site. As a leader and a safety professional, I am more than willing to work with those who don't know or don't understand. But there is no room on a job site for those who simply don't care. I don't know, but willing to learn. If you don't know about a hazard, a safety procedure, or how to use equipment correctly, that's okay. What matters is your willingness to learn. That's where leadership and training come in. I want you to know that I'm ready to train on hazards and hazard recognition, teach you about hazard mitigation, how to control risk and protect yourself and others, and also ensure that you understand the proper use of safety equipment, including PPE, fall protection, be able to recognize struck by hazards, caught in between hazards, understanding scaffolding safety, recognize slip, trip, and fall hazards, electrical hazards, other health hazards, and then understanding the safe work processes and procedures, such as Toolbox meetings, PTP meetings, etc. Also that you understand OSHA and company safety standards and do the required documentation. If you don't know something, ask. If you're unsure, speak up. Your safety and the safety of your coworkers depend on it. I don't care has no place on a job site. If someone simply does not care about their own safety, I have no reason to believe they care about the safety of their workers, the condition of equipment and tools, the protection of company property, and the overall success and productivity of the job. This attitude puts everyone at risk, and that is unacceptable. My message is clear. Buy in or get off the job site. If you refuse to take safety seriously, this is not the place for you. In closing, safety is not just about rules. It's about people. It's about making sure everyone goes home at the end of the day in the same condition they arrived, or better. If you don't know something, I'm here to help. But if you don't care, you won't last long around me. Let's work together to make safety our top priority. If you have any questions, concerns, or need further training, speak up now, leave a comment, and get in touch with me. Stay safe and stay committed. All right, boys and girls, that's my thought on the subject today. I appreciate everybody stopping by. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you give me the thumbs up down below and also subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature and you'll be notified of new releases. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. And as always, have a grateful day and we'll see you in the next one. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.